Hey, what's up, everybody? So today is a really great day. Why? Well, as you can see, I got my hands on the Canon R5. If you're trying to get one of these, you know how hard it is to get one of them. I did a pre-order on BH Photo, and they're still on pre-order. And now instead of being to ship out in November, they're saying that they're gonna be shipped out in December. And Adorama is saying that it's gonna be in a couple of days. They should be getting shipment, but it's been like 2 weeks. They be saying that. So finally, I was lucky enough to get these and get it from Best Buy. So if you're trying to get one, the best thing I can tell you is obviously you can make a couple pre-orders. I've seen some people did a couple pre-orders like BH Photo and they did Adorama, and some people they even got two cameras because they couldn't cancel it on time. Which I'm pretty sure you can send it back and they give you your money back, because apparently that's some reason that they're selling it on eBay. But on Best Buy you cannot do a pre-order. I don't know why. So what I was doing, I did a lot of research and looking to see if somebody knew when they're supposed to come out, and I can get my hands on. I've been trying for probably like 4 months trying to get one of these. I didn't want to do a pre-order because I thought it was once everybody got it that they was gonna be available. He's like, go ahead and buy it, but it never did. So I got tired of it, and I finally decided to do the pre-order on BH Photo, and still didn't get it. So I was still checking Best Buy like once a week or twice a week actually, maybe a couple more times than that. But on Best Buy, finally check it out, and like I would check in the morning because by the end of the day it was already sold out again. So I was lucky enough to check in the morning and get my hands on one of these. Actually, I thought it was like fake at one point because I'm not Canon website. If you go to the Canon website, it says it's in stock, but once you go to checkout, it's on back order. And I was doing some research and saying that it has like a glitch on it. So I want to recommend buying from Canon, the Canon website, because apparently there's a glitch to it saying that it's in stock, which is not, and then it's gonna take out your money and they're gonna send that pre-order. I'm pretty sure you can still cancel it and get your pre-order, because that's what I did. I canceled my order from BH Photo Video, and because I managed to get it from Best Buy. And I also got the CFexpress card, which I'm gonna talk about that later. So let's do a quick unboxing and see what we got here. I'm really excited to this. The most excited of what I've been waiting for this camera is the 4K 120. That's the really thing I'm really most excited about. And obviously I have the Canon R right now. So, and recording 4K without cropping it kind of got aggravating. If you have a wide lens like the one that I got right now, 15 to 35, it's not really a good problem. You can get away with it most of the time, but it's like to me it's like a big crop, and I don't like that. So this one finally I can do some cool videos, and I know they saying the overheating. I'm gonna try that. I don't think I'm gonna have that problem because I'm not one of the person that continuously record. If I'm gonna do that, obviously I'm gonna lower the quality. If I do a wedding, I'm gonna do like regular 4K or 1080p probably. So that's not a problem for overheating. So we got these, we got some manuals, we got some USB-C, we got the charger, the battery, which is apparently a new one. It has the gold Canon sticker on it, so that's how you know it's the new one. Which, by the way, they're kind of expensive. I think they're like $80 if you're trying to get another one. But you can use the battery from the Canon R. It's not gonna last us much longer. But honestly, I bought some batteries from like eBay, and they're not the original Canon batteries, and they last pretty good. They last pretty much like the original battery. So it probably lasts like 20-30 minutes less than the original battery, but that's more than enough, and they're way cheaper. You can get like 3 batteries for the price of one. So I would suggest doing that instead of buying like the original one. I always do that with my cameras. I always buy aftermarket batteries. They last pretty much the same. So here has the strap, which I'm gonna use, and here's the body. So it kind of looks like the R, but it does feel a little bit heavier. It does feel a little more beefy. Ooh, two SD cards. So, and the on and off switch is a little bit different. I can tell right away this display is a lot bigger. Not really a lot bigger, but it's bigger. So that's pretty cool. And the viewfinder, it looks bigger. So that's pretty cool. And I haven't never used the joystick on the one on the cameras, so I'm really excited to try that out because apparently a lot of people that has the 5D camera, one of the other professional cameras, I can't remember, it's 5 something. They apparently have this joystick and they say it makes a big difference. I'm used to like choosing my focus, like putting it here, like even when I have on my eye, you can easily put it here. That's what I'm used to. So I'm really excited to try this out and see how that works, if it works better than the display. To me, I don't have no problem with the display, so I guess because I got used to it because of the R. So that's it on the unboxing. You don't really get that much besides this big menu. So now let me talk about the card, the CFexpress card. So apparently you do need one of these in order to record like 8K. No, there's one type of 8K, like the compressed 8K, that you can still record on the other cards, like the SD card. But you need like a number 2, so you need a fast SD card. So you cannot use the one on one of the regular SD cards, if I'm not mistaken. So you still need, and they're a little bit more expensive than the regular SD card. So you still need to invest, if you don't have one of them, you still need to invest into SD card, and you can still take pictures. I don't know about the frame rate, if it is the same. I think it's the same, but you have to like let it buffer for a little bit, and then you're good. So after like a 50 shot, like continuous shot or something like that, you have to wait a couple seconds to buffer with the regular SD card. So I think that's the only difference that this made with the pictures. I think you can take more continuously pictures until so it doesn't buffer. And then obviously with this you need it for 8K, which I'm not gonna use. You need it for 4K 120, which I'm gonna use, and the 4K high quality, which is compressed from the 8K. So that's the reason about it. And actually I had to buy 2 because I got this camera right on time because I'm going on a trip to Cancun, Mexico. So this is gonna do like I'm gonna try it out there for the first time. So I'm really excited. So that's why I needed one. I bought one of these online, but it's not gonna be here until I'm gone on vacation. So I went to the store to buy another one. So I bought one, the 500 gigabytes. That was $700. That's a lot for a fucking memory card for a little plastic little thing. And then this one is 128. It was $250. This thing they're like really expensive. So that's the only bad thing about it. So if you're investing into the R5, just be ready to invest into some memory cards. And the reason I got the 500 gigabytes is because everybody's saying that about the big files. Even with the pictures, it has a bigger file. And since I do weddings, I don't want to have the problem of filling up too quick. So hopefully with the 500 and the 128, I should be good for the complete day of wedding. I haven't tested out to see the files. So I'm gonna do another video, a review about it, and obviously I'm gonna test it out in Mexico. So I'm gonna be doing videos, I'm gonna be doing pictures, and obviously the weekend after that I have a wedding, so I'm gonna be testing out the photography part of it. So I'm definitely doing a review to see how it handles, to see if the hot weather from Mexico it gets like hot, because apparently that has something to do with it too. To see if I have any problems with it, like me taking pictures and trying to record some 4K videos, either 120 or 124 high quality. So we're gonna see how it handles. So I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.